Mamaya na. Doon daw kayo katapos.
Saan?
Kabadiyan pa. Tess, sama na.
Inspections of individual drill members for part of maintaining the highest degree of efficiency expected from them. The platoon sergeant will conduct a series of random inspections which will be done in breathtaking executions. Hold your breath and watch how members of a drill team twist, turn, and toss their M1 Garand rifle under the scrutinizing eye. The equally snappy platoon sergeant.
Uy, natatakbo mo yung camera. Yan. Very good. Ganyan, pwede rin. Ba't ako? Yun o. Yun. Bawal. Mama, siya umalis ma. Ma, hindi nakita na na. Sige, tanggalin natin. So, seatbelt ka lang. Tanggalin natin. Pero magsi-seatbelt ka.
The M1 is an air-cooled, gas-operated, clipped, semi-automatic shouldered barred weapon. It weighs 4.1 kilograms to 5.3 kilograms.